I thought I would make some Valentine decorations today. So my aim is to make a little garland using some pipe cleaners and beads and a bit of twine. I think I'll use twine. So I'm just folding that pipe cleaner in half. I'm going to bend it down into the middle. And what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to twist it because that will make it stay put a bit more. Twist those together and then put my little beads, these tiny little ones. I've got light pink in there as well. There's the small one. Just put those little pink ones on. Just slot them over. And because it's like a chenille kind of fabric fibres, it grips most sizes of beads. And if it doesn't, you just put a little bit of glue on there. There we are. There's the heart. You just move the shape about. So I got a bunch of hearts there. Oopsie daisy, my beads are going everywhere. And then I can just reshape it around there. Now I think I'm going to put a couple of beads on just to hold it more. There we are. And as I said, you can always put a little bit of glue in there, any sort of glue, just to give it a bit more grip. There we are, and there's our little heart. So I need to make a few of these, so I'm just going to carry on making some. Right, so I have done these little hearts here, and I've got them all laid out everywhere, and we're going to lay these out. So I just got some twine, and I'm going to measure these equally because I like to just be quite balanced with mine, and I think I measured earlier that I wanted it to be about 20 centimetres apart. So I'm thinking, how much do I want to tie with? I've left about 35 to tie with, so from everywhere that I tie a little bow, I'm going to leave 20 centimetres. It might be a bit too far apart, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I think that works. So then I get a tiny little bit of twine. I get just a little bit of twine. And I'm just hanging it in the corner because I think that'll look quite nice. But you can do it however you wish. My hand's in the way of that angle. There we are. And I can move that along. I might as well just put them all on and then move it along after. So I want to move it along in a minute. It's my little collection. Bringing that underneath, tying it together so it lands roughly in the middle. Making a loop. My little bow. If you want these bows to stay put, you can put a little bit of PVA on there. Oh, that's it. And that is done. Need another couple.
Look. A little bit. Look.
Right.
I don't want
These are
that.
the ones that you've been making, yeah?
That,
So you
Mommy.
can make another. Come here, quick, quick.
Mommy, I want to show you, Daddy. I want to show you the picture.
You put the beads on for Mummy.
Yeah. Mr. Bead.
And that little one.
Oh.
Actually, you might need a bit
Mommy. Mommy, it's not fit. Oh, Mommy. I didn't. Yes.
Let's have a little look.
This.
Take it off first, and then we have to bend it round. Like
No,
this.
and then they the hot.
That's it.
I've done.
Put it in between.
I've done.
You done it? Let's see. Ah, good.
Mommy, do
Good
it
work.
me later.
That's it. Put it on.
In my heart.
Put it in your mouth, let me see. That's it. There, another one. No, not in your mouth.